Bonjour les amis, bienvenue to Notre Dame, come with me.
A day in kindergarten is always a busy one. Our learning opportunities are presented in many forms, including whole group lessons, small group and one-on-one lessons that are differentiated to each child's ability, opportunities for unstructured play and to be hands-on with their learning and language development, as well as more focused learning centers. Offering many structures for learning enables us to ensure we are meeting the social, emotional, and academic needs of each student while encouraging independence and problem solving. In addition to their regular recess and lunch times, we offer 2 additional snack times and many movement breaks throughout the day. Our faith values are permeated and modeled through daily lessons and activities, and students have both music and phys ed twice a week. To enrich classroom experiences, we also offer Christmas concerts, special celebrations, and field trips throughout the year, both off and on campus.
At Notre Dame, we run an integrated literacy program in both English and immersion kindergarten, where students have many opportunities throughout each day to incorporate literacy skill practice through many different means. We see value in learning literacy through play, problem solving, and social interactions. Read alouds, group discussion, hands-on activities, classroom picture books, representing thoughts through pictures, letters, and words, and reading buddies are more individual and interactive literacy activities that we engage in here at Notre Dame. The students will also experience more structured times to learn literacy through programming such as the Jolly Phonics program and Daily 5. In kindergarten, we plant the seed for literacy strategies that will stay with each child as they move on to grade 1 and beyond. We strive to support a positive, fun learning experience and literacy growth for all learners. It is our mission to meet each child where they are at, to target early literacy development in these 5 areas: reading, viewing, speaking, writing, and representing.
Numeracy in kindergarten has 3 main objectives: numbers, patterns and relations, and shape and space. The explorations of numbers is a very exciting piece of our day. Numbers to 10 are foundational for your children's numeracy development. At NDE, we explore numbers from 1 to 10 using song, stories, and manipulatives. The students of NDE also investigate patterns throughout daily center activities as well as whole group instruction. It is an essential skill that the students are able to apply patterns and their relationships to their daily lives. Through play, children use 3D shapes that allow them to be creative and use their imaginations. Problem solving in kindergarten involving numbers, patterns, and shapes is explored in many different ways: small group discussions, smartboard activities, and whole class conversations. The numeracy skills students learn in kindergarten are important and can be discovered throughout their everyday lives.
Did you know that French immersion is for everyone? French immersion is designed specifically for students or families whose first language is not French. Parents and students will receive all the language supports needed from the teachers and the school staff. Immersion students master French in the same way they learned English. They begin by hearing French, mimicking words, labeling objects, and finally speaking in full French sentences. The process happens naturally because French is used as the primary language of instruction. Kids are like sponges and soak up the second language. English reading and writing instruction is introduced in grade 3. Reading strategies are the same in every language, therefore students pick up the English reading and writing quickly. In a French immersion kindergarten class, the teacher speaks to the class in French, but expects that the students will respond in English in the beginning. In order to help students understand, the teacher will use gestures, mimes, actions, pictures, and objects. Songs, poems, choral speaking, and routines are just some of the strategies that will be used to help familiarize students with the French language.
I'm so excited for kindergarten. I can't wait. Bye guys, I'm going to NDE.
See you